Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and I work with the administrative office of the Jex Institute. I'd love to congratulate all of you. We are so proud of you and we pray for you that God may continue to increase you and bless you wherever you go. Bye-bye.
Musebe mutya bandaba amanya nze Arnold nga ndi student ku Jex Institute Albalaha. Mbebaza okusoma mwebale kusoma mbagaliza amatikira amalungi mwena mukama bawa omukisa.
Hello everyone, my name is John from Kenya, a student at Jex. Mine is to wish all the graduates a happy graduation day. Thank you.
Hey everyone, it's Teacher Solomon here at Jex, the head trainer. I'm so happy that we are celebrating you today. This is your special day. I want you to enjoy it. Remember the milestone. We have really moved afar from the trials. This is just a new start for your new journey. I wish you well wherever you're going. I'm hoping to see you soon, reaching high heights. Hoping to see you when you're giving us testimony.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Bye-bye!